situation, use some imagination.
Hiccups.
Wow, it's almost 11 o'clock.
Already? I didn't think an hour ago it was just 10 o'clock.
11 o'clock is when the man from the radio station said our commercial would play.
Right, our commercial.
Gee, Rich, your voice sure sounds a lot higher on the radio.
That's not me. My voice is much lower than that.
Right, guys?
I don't think this is the right radio station. Maybe our commercial's playing on this one.
That doesn't sound like our commercial either. But it does sound fun. Let's dance.
Yeah, two-step.
Time to dance. We have to find the right radio station before our commercial plays.
Ready to record more boring stories on tape, Uncle Midnight?
Yes, Nina. I just can't wait to see the bored faces on the children when they listen to my incredibly boring stories.
Boring stories on tape, recording session. Tape number 1.
Once there was a plain boy who lived in a plain house on a plain street. What was that?
Sounded like a hiccup.
That's impossible. I don't get hiccups. They're much too exciting for me. Let's try again.
Boring stories on tape, recording session. Tape 2.
There once was a plain boy who lived... I can't record my boring story like this. No one will be able to understand what I'm saying.
Maybe we need to take a break. I'll put on some music.
Oh, that's perfect, Nina. Turn it up a little.
Oh, there's probably nicer music than that to listen to, Uncle Midnight. Let me find another radio station.
Do you have a situation that needs imagination? We can solve
Hey, it's the Imagination Movers. This must be the new radio commercial.
Wonderful.
Let's go see the Movers. They can solve any problem. They'll know how to get rid of your hiccups.
But they're still exciting. I'm sure my hiccups will go away on their own.
They sound like they're getting worse.
That's nonsense. Fine. We'll go to the movies. But don't get too excited about it.
I'll try not to, Uncle Midnight.